Are you getting started with affiliate marketing? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 different tips that will help you become more successful using affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 different tips that will help you out if you're getting started with affiliate marketing or you're having trouble getting results. Now, some of these tips are some that I wish that I knew when I first got started with affiliate marketing. So before I jump into this video, if you're interested in learning my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, then check out the first link in the top of the description. Okay, so the first tip that I want to share is that you have to put in the work. Most people think that affiliate marketing is just something that you promote all kinds of affiliate links, you sit back, relax, and then you just watch the commissions start rolling in. Now, you might get a sale or two by people just randomly clicking on your affiliate link and buying whatever it is that you're promoting, but that's not really a winning strategy. So you basically have to put in the work. Now, what I mean by work is that you have to take the time to create YouTube videos like this one. You have to create blog posts. You have to post on social media. You're going to have to set up a landing page. You're going to have to build an email list. Now, a lot of people who talk about affiliate marketing and how much money they're making, they make it sound so simple, and it is an easy concept and a simple concept to understand, but there's a lot of work that goes behind it in order for them to talk about those results that they're sharing with you. Another thing that I wanted to add is that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Some people who don't understand affiliate marketing, they think that's what it is. Now, get-rich-quick schemes, they don't really last too long because people figure out that their pyramid schemes are get-rich-quick schemes and they expose them. And then that's the end of that business model. But affiliate marketing, it's been around for many years and it's probably going to be around forever. As long as you know that you're going to be promoting a good product, then you're going to be alright. Now, if you're promoting a product where you know it's just taking people's money and it's not giving them anything in exchange for that, then that would be a get-rich-quick scheme or a scam. So just something to be aware of. Do your research before picking a product to promote. And if you can, try to purchase that product yourself so you can give an honest review about it. Okay, so real quick, if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so tip number 2 when it comes to affiliate marketing is to expect delayed gratification. Like I just mentioned, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to see results right away. Don't expect to become rich overnight just by promoting somebody else's product. This is a long-term strategy that has the ability to give you a total money makeover. So if you put in the work and practice delayed gratification, you are going to see results. Now, a lot of people who start affiliate marketing, they quit because they don't see the results right away, and then they say, oh, affiliate marketing doesn't work, it's a scam, it's oversaturated. But I mean, most people want things right away. They don't want to wait. They want things not now, but right now. And the majority of people, they're not even willing to put in the work that it takes to achieve those results. Some people enter the world of affiliate marketing with the mindset, if I'm not making $10,000 by 30 days, then I'm going to just say this doesn't work and it's a scam. So basically, you have to practice delayed gratification. Now, tip number 3 is to pick a niche that you're passionate about. I'm not going to go into too much detail about this because I really covered it thoroughly in my previous video. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave that in the cards up here. But just to quickly explain, the reason why you should pick a niche that you're passionate about is because you're going to have to create a lot of content that's surrounding that niche. And if you're not passionate about what you're doing, then more than likely you're going to end up quitting because it's going to just feel like working a regular 9-to-5 job. Now, tip number 4 is don't get stuck in learning mode. I know most people who are getting started with not just affiliate marketing, but almost anything, they want to learn every little thing that they can before they even take action. And I used to be the same way. But just being stuck in learning mode where you're just constantly learning and you don't want to take action because you're afraid to make mistakes, I mean, you're not really going to get anywhere because you can have all the knowledge in the world, but if you don't apply it, I mean, it's not really going to make a difference. So what I recommend is that you learn the basics and then you start taking action. And then you continue to learn along the way. Now, don't get me wrong, you are going to make mistakes. You're most likely going to fail. You might even feel like quitting. But that's how you can get to learn more about this business and basically gain experience. And if you can overcome the obstacle of failing and that feeling of wanting to give up, then you're already ahead of most people who start affiliate marketing because most people, they quit at the first sign of failure. So I recommend taking action, but always keep on learning. Okay, so tip number 5 is that you need to have a traffic source coming in. So if you're just getting started, you need to have at least one traffic source coming in, or no more than 2. This is where you need to figure out which platform is going to be better for you, because not everybody has the ability to go on camera and feel comfortable. I wasn't at first. So if you're going to be making YouTube videos, I mean, that's a great way to generate free traffic to promote whatever products that you're going to focus on. But not everybody likes to be on camera. So just find out what works for you, whether it's creating YouTube videos, starting a blog, posting on social media, even doing TikTok. Or you can run paid ads, but not everybody has a budget to run advertising. So obviously the reason why you need to have traffic coming in is because this is where you're going to be getting your sales from. If you're promoting a product and nobody knows about it, how are you going to get sales? So that's why I recommend creating content that's going to generate you traffic. Now, as of right now, the easiest source of traffic to get is through TikTok. It's relatively new compared to other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So right now on TikTok, you can easily get a lot of views on your videos and grow your following pretty quickly. I have a TikTok account and I didn't even create it not even a year ago, maybe like 6 to 7 months ago. And I already have 1,000 followers on TikTok. And I don't even have that many on YouTube. Now the reason why I still make YouTube videos because it's just another source of traffic. Now the benefit of having different sources of traffic coming in is that you can just tell people, hey, follow me on TikTok or go subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you're using one platform to get more followers on the other platform. So that's just like a little bonus tip. You can grow your following from one platform to another just by telling people who are following you on this platform to go follow you on this other one. Well, that's basically the 5 different tips that I wanted to share if you're getting started with affiliate marketing or if you want to see better results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully you guys learned something new from it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, then check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's basically it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.